how to enable or disable antivirus in Windows 10. We begin by right-clicking the Start button here in the left corner, and then we click on Settings. And then we click on Update and Security right here. And then we select Windows Security. And then we click on Open Windows Security up here. And then we click on Virus and Threat Protection right here. Then we click on Manage Settings right here under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. And then to turn off our antivirus, then we click here on. And then say yes. Now it's turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, then we simply click on it again. And now it's turned on. And that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day.